Summer solstice 2024. Is it going to get even hotter now? The summer solstice in 2024, which falls on June 21st, is an astronomical event that marks the official start of summer in the Northern Hemisphere. It is the longest day of the year when the sun reaches its highest point in the sky, resulting in the most daylight hours. This annual event has been celebrated by various cultures around the world for centuries, with traditions, rituals, and festivals dedicated to honoring the sun and the abundance it brings. However, as the effects of climate change continue to make headlines, many people are wondering whether the summer solstice in 2024 will bring even hotter temperatures than in previous years. With rising global temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather events becoming more common, it is understandable to be concerned about the impact of climate change on the hottest season of the year. The Earth's climate is influenced by a complex interplay of factors, including greenhouse gas emissions, solar radiation, ocean currents, and atmospheric patterns. While the summer solstice itself is a natural phenomenon driven by the tilt of the Earth's axis, the overall trend of warming temperatures is primarily attributed to human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. According to climate scientists, the year 2024 is expected to be one of the hottest on record, with global temperatures continuing to rise due to the accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This means that the summer solstice in 2024 may indeed bring even hotter conditions than in previous years, leading to heat waves, droughts, and other extreme weather events. In recent years, heat waves have become more frequent and intense, posing serious risks to human health, agriculture, and ecosystems. High temperatures can lead to heat-related illnesses, crop failures, and wildfires, putting vulnerable populations and the environment at risk. The effects of extreme heat are particularly felt in urban areas, where the urban heat island effect can exacerbate already soaring temperatures. To mitigate the impact of climate change and extreme heat events, global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition to renewable energy sources are crucial. In addition, adaptation strategies such as planting trees, improving urban planning, and implementing heat-resistant infrastructure can help communities withstand the effects of rising temperatures. As we approach the summer solstice in 2024, it is essential to raise awareness about the challenges posed by climate change and the urgent need for collective action. By taking steps to reduce our carbon footprint, protect natural ecosystems, and build resilient communities, we can work towards a more sustainable and equitable future for all. In conclusion, while the summer solstice in 2024 may bring hot temperatures and extreme weather conditions, it is within our power to address the root causes of climate change and create a more climate-resilient world. By embracing sustainable practices, fostering innovation, and advocating for climate justice, we can ensure a brighter future for generations to come.